Hi everyone, I'm here again. My name is Cosme, I'm from Brazil. Welcome to my channel Pintura Automotiva Super Dicas, a channel about paint car. Today I will show you how to improve the shine of your car paint easy by hand. Let's go to me. I'm using number 2 grit polish resin and polish wax. The polish resin promotes shine by abrasion, by removing the top coat of the paint, so it should be used sparingly. And the polish wax promotes shine by removing purity from the surface of the paint and leaving a transparent protective film. First, we wash the car with mild soap. Now, with flannel, cotton or cotton waste, start rubbing the polished resin with pressure that promotes heat in a paint until you reach desired glow. This resin is base water. Cotton waste cleaning. With pressure, compressão. Now we wash again with mild soap for removing the polished resin. Now, to apply the polish wax, I prefer with flannel. Moving slowly. Don't remove our polish. After 10 minutes, remove the excess with the clean flannel. See the glow. Veja o brilho. like this tip, subscribe to the channel, give your like, and share this with your friends.